girls are educated, their countries become stronger and more prosperous. Rightly said by Michelle Obama. You can call your daughter Beta, but won't ever call your son Beti. This signifies why girls are so special. Good morning everyone, respected Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, coordinators, teachers and my dear friends. Today, I, Prerna Kavle, welcome you all to this wonderful assembly put up by the students of Class 9th I. And the theme for our assembly is National Girl Child Day. Every year on January 24, India celebrates National Girl Child Day. Ever since it was initiated in 2008 by the Ministry of Women and Children Development to ensure that every woman in the country are supported and are guided in the journey towards equality. This day intends to create an environment where no gender or race sits on a pedestal and enjoys privileges over others. This event is crucial for changing the flawed fabric of society and crafting an approach that creates opportunities for girls and women. So, let's start with the assembly.
God fulfills our desire if we call upon Him and acknowledge Him every time, particularly at the beginning of the day, when the day's work has just begun. So let me call upon my friend Miss Sanika for the morning prayer.
Please join your hands and close your eyes and get ready for the morning prayer. Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls, where words come out from the depth of truth, where tireless striving stretches its arms towards perfection, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert sand of dead habits, where the mind is led forward by the into ever-widening thought and action. In the heaven of freedom, my Father, let my country awake.
Pledge is a way to show your love and respect towards the nation. The National Pledge is an oath of allegiance to the Republic of India. It's commonly recited by Indians in unison. So let's pledge our devotion towards nation with Master Tejas.
India is my country and all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Every morning brings us new thoughts, new words, new strength and endless possibilities. So to enlighten us and brighten our morning, here comes Master Ganesh with his thought for the day.
And the thought for the day is, there are marvels and magnificence in each and every girl, but their greatness lies on enabling them to prosper their magnificence. I repeat my thought, there are marvels and magnificence in each and every girl, but their greatness lies on enabling them to prosper their magnificence. Thank you.
Now it's time to incorporate new vocabulary into a personal word bank with Ms. Deepika Sharma, who would be giving us word for the week.
Good morning everyone. The word for the week is tenacious, spelled as Tenacious. The meaning of tenacious is trending to keep a firm hold of something. We can use it in a sentence like, she is tenacious in defense of her rights. Thank you.
News inform us what is happening around us in this pandemic world. So, to rewind the happening of yesterday, here comes Master Siddharth with news headlines.
Good morning to one and all present here. Today I am Siddharth Power and I will tell you today's news. Now let's start with national news. Over 7.86 lakh people in India have been administered the COVID-19 vaccine, according to the Health Ministry. There have been 4 deaths among those vaccinated, 3 due to cardiac arrest and not linked with the vaccination. and one was still being analyzed. Now let's see some international news. Dubai's tourism department announced an immediate halt to all live entertainment at hotels and restaurants, a day after suspending non-urgent surgeries at hospitals to deal with an influx of COVID-19 patients. The new US administration thanked the WHO for leading the global pandemic response and vowed to remain member state. Now let's move towards the sports corner. India beat Australia by 3 wickets in a nail-biting contest in Brisbane and members of India arrived home. Rohit Sharma, Ajinkya Rahane, coach Ravi Shastri landed in Mumbai and Rishabh Pant in Delhi. Ronaldo scored 760th goal of his career and made a world record. That's all for today. Thank you and have a fruitful day ahead.
On this National Girl Child Day, we celebrate and honor the millions of girls around the world who surmount the barriers of inequality and manage to break free from the prejudices which they have often been confirmed. Now, I would like to call on Ms. Pratiksha to give us deep insight on this topic.
National Girl Child Day is celebrated 24 January every year in India. The day was an initiative of the Ministry of Women and Child Development in 2008. It's a common practice in India where people kill or abort a girl child on birth, but they should be saved, given equal opportunity and respect to go ahead in their lives. Apart from that, the fate of civilization lies in their hand, as they are the root of our creation. Survival of girls is very important because survival of girl means the survival of human race and life. Although girls have proven themselves better in every field, but still people prefer a boy child. Girls have proven themselves better in every field than boys, and due to their hard work and obedience, they have been to space also. They are more talented, hardworking, and responsible. Besides, girls are more caring and loving to their family members. Above all, they give their 100% in every work. Hence, the survival of girls is important because the survival of girls means the survival of human life and race. Thank you.
The year 2021 marks the most comprehensive global agenda for girls and women. We see today technological advances that we could dream about 25 years ago. Yet despite progress, gender equality continues to be elusive. Some areas essential for the achievement of women empowerment still lacks women's participation. Our coming up presentation seeks to call attention to the potential of girl education, to transform gender norms in the society, to improve our thought processes, and to highlight key actions that can accelerate girls' participation at all levels of society.
Kalpana Chawla, India's first daughter to go to space.
The youngest woman with highest gallantry award.
Kiran Bedi, the first Indian woman to become an IPS officer.
Mitali Madhumita, India's first woman officer to receive Sena Medal.
The 5-time world amateur boxing champion.
Chavi Rajawat, India's first woman serpent with MBA degree.
Arunima Sinha, the world's first female amputee to climb on Mount Everest.
India's first woman to win medal in Olympics for badminton.
Sushmita Sen, the first Indian woman to win Miss Universe in 1994.
Tessie Thomas, India's first woman scientist to head a missile project.
Now, we would like to conclude our assembly with the famous quote of Anatole France. To accomplish great things, we must not only act, but also dream. Not only plan, but also believe. Wishing that the National Girl Child Day doesn't remain just another day to be observed once in a year in the calendar. Rather, it would actually materialize into reality. Here's Miss Prerna Kavle signing off for the day, leaving you all with the favor of patriotism with the rendition of National Anthem.